Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a breakdown of the CJ affiliate network, also known as Commission Junction. It's an affiliate network that I am slowly starting to build up my affiliate business with. Here's some of my stats in the business, but if you've already been to my channel before and you know what I do, which is affiliate marketing full-time, I have multiple streams of income coming in from different types of affiliate networks. Here's another one. And I overall make a full-time income in this business, but I want to give you a breakdown of CJ or Commission Junction in this video, my experiences, my thoughts about it, what you need to know before you sign up with them, and just basic things to expect when you do. So before I get into the details of all of that, let me just quickly say that if you are new to my channel, my name is Vitaly, and I basically create videos like these to teach you about affiliate marketing and making money online, which is what I do for a living. And if you're new or struggling to the business and you need help, I highly recommend you check out the resource that I'm going to include a link to below this video. It showcases my #1 recommendation for learning this business, and it's the same one that taught me how to do all of this stuff for a living. It has a lot of success stories. It's free to get started with, and it basically teaches you how to build an affiliate business on whatever it is that you're passionate about in life and beyond. So like other things through YouTube, building a local business and all that stuff. But check that out below this video. After you watch this video, it'll give you more information about that. But other than that, getting back to the main subject of this video, Commission Junction is one of the longest standing affiliate networks that's out there. I've been doing affiliate marketing for like over 16 years now, and ever since I started, Commission Junction was still around at that time, so it's got one of the oldest reputations and one of the best reputations as well. Overall, I will say that I'm pretty happy with the network. It's legitimate, it pays out on time, it has a lot of opportunities of things that you can promote, and basically the way that it works is a lot of big name companies like TripAdvisor, which is what I currently promote, offers through CommissionJunction.com through. You can promote their offers through Commission Junction and get commissions for that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of brand name sites and companies that do business with Commission Junction, and you can promote those things as an affiliate for CJ. Now, other than that, what you need to know is that if you're interested in signing up with the program, there's a very long approval process that's necessary. You got to go through an application, you got to provide your website, there's also tax stuff that you have to provide as well. So there's a lot of personal stuff that you have to enter, but it only makes sense to do that because this is an affiliate network that does legitimate business, so you have to provide all that information before you get started. Now, I will highly recommend that before you consider signing up with CommissionJunction.com that you already have some sort of affiliate business established, whether that be some kind of website that gets regular visitors, whether that be some kind of social media page like a Facebook fan page, a Pinterest page, a TikTok page, whatever the case is, that it gets viewers, some kind of YouTube channel that has the same kind of thing. Perhaps you have some kind of Instagram page. You want to have some sort of traffic coming into some sort of source, a platform, whether that be a website or something else, before you sign up with Commission Junction, because they're going to ask you for this information, and it's going to be very important for you to actually have that to improve the chances that you get approved for Commission Junction. A lot of people that are new to affiliate marketing tend to get excited about the whole prospect and opportunity of it, and they tend to jump in head first into the whole affiliate world, sign up with multiple networks, and then they're surprised why they get disapproved. And this is usually because they don't have anything to show. Basically, when you sign up with an affiliate network and you go through a long application process, it's like your resume. You have to show them that you're a potentially good affiliate, and that's what I did, because the website that I'm connecting to this one is a website that deals with the outdoors, and that's going to lead me into the next thing that I talk about, which is my experiences with it. So when I joined Commission Junction, it was and still is currently to promote offers from what's known as the TripAdvisor website. So TripAdvisor, if you don't already know, it's a huge travel website where you can promote hotels, flights, all this kind of stuff. It's one of the biggest websites in the world for that. And if you want to promote offers from TripAdvisor, you got to sign up with Commission Junction. That's exactly what I did. Once I got approved, I started promoting TripAdvisor offers, and that's where you see these sales coming in. And I'm slowly building that up further. It's not too many sales right now, but it is slowly building up. And the beauty of all this stuff is that there's, like I said before, a bunch of legitimate companies that are part of the Commission Junction network, so there's a lot more brand name trust. So when I promote TripAdvisor offers and people land on these pages, it's easier for me to get sales overall. So that's making my job easier as an affiliate. Now, in terms of the pros and cons of CJ.com, in terms of the pros, one of the longest running affiliate networks out there. It's got a good reputation, very legitimate company, a lot of opportunities of stuff that you can promote, and a lot of great ways to make an affiliate commission from that. So those are the basic overviews of the pros. Now, in terms of the cons, I will say that the application process was, at least for me, a little bit annoying, but I kind of get why that's the case. I went through it. It's like one of those main obstacles that you initially have to cross and then you kind of forget about it once you're approved. But once that's done, I really don't see any issues with that kind of stuff. So that's just an objective way of looking at it from the pros and cons. Now, one more pro I forgot to mention is that in Commission Junction, you get what's known as the CJ Deep Link, which is basically an extension that you connect, and you can see it up here, where whatever vendors are connected to Commission Junction, like TripAdvisor, you can go to any pages on their website and create an affiliate link for that page so you can promote a whole bunch of different stuff. So let me show you how the CJ Deep Link works. I'm in TripAdvisor right now, which, as you know, is part of the CJ network. And let's say that I want to promote Fundy National Park or something, whatever. And I click on this and I see that there's offers over here where people can buy these things. So I want to send people to this page where they can look through, see what they want to purchase and all that kind of stuff. So this page is what I want to promote to people. So what I do is I head over up here where it says CJ Deep Link. I click on this. It's going to make this link generator pop up. It's going to give me the deep link, and this is actually going to be my affiliate link that I pop up. You can also create IDs. So let's say that you send different sources from different platforms to this page. You want to know if it came from source A, source B, source C. This is where you would do that. But this is the affiliate link that I would put in, let's say, a blog post which talks about, Fundy National Park, or I get traffic to it, or maybe my Pinterest boards or something like that. This is where I would do that. And I can do that with any page on TripAdvisor or any page that's part of the CJ affiliate network with the vendors that are there. So it's actually a very convenient thing for me to do, and that's really what I do. There's a lot of opportunities when it comes to promoting these things, and I'm really, really excited about that. That's how I've been getting these commissions. And so with this one, for example, if I send people to this page, they can click on this, they can click on this, and TripAdvisor, for example, is great at offering upsells for other opportunities. So when people buy one thing, they sometimes go and they buy other things over here, which also adds to my commissions. Now, it's not too much. It's basically pennies coming in, but you know what? Pennies add up. I don't mind promoting low-ticket stuff. You can watch some of my previous videos. I actually do low-ticket affiliate marketing as well as medium and high-ticket affiliate marketing, so there's a lot of opportunity there as well. But overall, Commission Junction is a great affiliate network. It's a serious affiliate network, so if you are someone that is interested in promoting things, here's some of the examples of companies that you can promote. There's a lot of stuff that you can do here, and I would recommend a few things before you get started with them. Number one, like I said before, having some sort of branch of an affiliate business established, whether it be a website that is getting traffic, some kind of social media source that's getting traffic, maybe a YouTube channel that's getting traffic. Make sure you have one of these things and that it's focused on some sort of niche that is compatible with one or more different vendors that you can promote from this kind of stuff. So for example, I have a website which is about the outdoors, hiking, that kind of stuff, and I talk about different things to do in popular outdoorsy spots. And so I'm connected with TripAdvisor where I can promote hotels that are near those spots, and that's how I basically promote stuff through Commission Junction. So that's basically a summary of everything that I wanted to cover when it comes to Commission Junction. There is a bit of a learning curve when you come through the first time where you got to like sign up with the merchants and all that stuff, but once you get through that initial tour of how you have to navigate through the site, it becomes a pretty simple process. And for me today, it's just I visit TripAdvisor, I get my affiliate links, and I put it into the proper areas, and then I keep going from there again and again. So that's how I do it. I hope that this video is very helpful to you. And once again, if you are new or struggling to affiliate marketing and you need help, check out that resource I mentioned earlier in the video that will help you set up an affiliate business. It's free to get started with. It taught me everything that I know about the business. It has a lot of success stories, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. And other than that, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.